So I was in a Zoom class and I was listening to business pitches, and every night we'll be like, well, good luck with your idea. And I was like, instead of saying good luck with your idea, why don't we start supporting each other and help build each other up? So I decided that we take $50 a month and we cash up that person for their business. So I started in January, and this is the person that won.
What's up, family? It's your boy, Mr. Davis. First name Dayon, last name Davis. I am a educator. I am a father. I am a hustler. I'm an entrepreneur. I am an all-time world greatest everything. Just because I am. Sorry. Anyway, so my company is Hip Hop Music Hub. It is a internet-based radio station that streams 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And we bring you some of the hottest hip hop music on the planet, period. You can go and download the app on Google Play Store. Right now, I don't have it on Apple or ISO, but we are getting there, family. And that is actually a part of the reason why we are doing what we are doing, because that is a part of what I am going to be doing for January is I am going to be making the radio station available on iOS for everybody, so that way everybody can download the app, as well as go into some more graphical work, promotional work, marketing work, things like that, so we can bring more awareness to the station, so that way we can actually go in and start getting some of these big fish, big name companies to come in and do some sponsorship and some advertising with us, so that way we can start writing some big checks. So that is my plan for the month of January. I will be giving you guys weekly updates. I will be letting you guys know how this process is going for me and just how we're going to do for February. So you want to be a part? Come be a part. Do this in-home banking with us, man, and let's get this ball rolling, family. I love y'all. Peace.
Right. So instead of just saying you support somebody, actually support somebody. Um this is his guy's cash app right here, the Hip Hop Music Hub. You can donate $50. And basically what he's gonna do, he's gonna pick someone from that his cash app for the winner of February. So I was listening to Damon Johns. He started with $60, and now he has 600 million. So it doesn't take a lot in some cases. You have to be motivated, and you need some support sometimes. So this is what we're going to be doing all year, and if it's a success, we're just going to keep doing it year after year, and hopefully. So we got 55 members, I noticed, and only like two people, me and this other guy, contributed. So everybody want to watch and win, but nobody wants to contribute. I've noticed that. So that's why I figured out we're only going to pick whoever contribute. That's the only one who's going to win. You're not going to win just because you're in the group. You're going to win because you're participating and you're being supportive. So it looks like this other guy named Giorgio. He has a makeup line, so he should be the one who wins for February. But so basically we got this idea from an in-home banking group, and everybody was like, oh, it's a very good idea, but nobody's contributing because they were saying, okay, it's $600 a year, but you think $50 a month to support somebody. And I think it's you should support each other. That's the only way that we're really going to win, is group economics. That's the only way we're really going to win. So this is his I started this December 12th, and he decided to do a radio station. So he got a radio station. He's doing it on Google. That's he got an Android. That's his Android link. And this is some of the music that he was playing. So basically, when you win, you're going to just tell us what you're doing every month. Teach us too, and we'll be supportive. We're not just going to say, I support you. We're going to actually support you, you know. Support is an action word. And I put that quote right there by Damon John. He started with $60, and now he's worth 600 million. You really just have to be a hustler. You have to keep moving and be motivated. And sometimes you need encouragement and support. That's all you need. And I said, I want all of us to be rich. I don't care who gets there first. Just get there. That is his Hulu link. That's his name, Dayon Davis. So January 1st through January 31st, he gets the entire month to display his stuff and tell us what he's doing. So maybe at the end of the year, we all figure out, how much he's progressed